Turning the engine 35V22 engine turn. Engine is turning good. Compressor here is good, no damage, no broken. Same as well the alternator here, no problem. Diesel pump here, very nice, very good, no problem. Starter, didn't see any damages from this side, no problem. And the water pipe here, you can see from this side, water pipe. There's no orange pipe sign. There's no sign of overheating, very good. Everything from this side is good, same as well to this side here. Turbo, didn't see any damages from outside, no problem. EGR pipe, very nice, very good. Down here the oil sum, gearbox good, no damage, no broken. And the engine is turning good.